I created this Pringles poster using Photoshop. Make new document with these height and width. Drag and drop the background and transform it proportionally. Add some blur to it. Place the Pringles at the center and adjust it. Add curves and adjust as required. For brightness, add curves and adjust as required. Same make exposure for the package. Make highlight and shadows. By using blending option, make drop shadow, pick a dark color from the table. Create curves and darken the edges. Make layer mask and correct the package shape with brush. Add text to the back of package. Change its color to yellow as shown. Change the layer style to overlay. Blend the text and adjust it. Create layer mask and follow the process. Add some shadow to the text. Place the Pringles logo on left corner of the poster. Make shadow. Create text effect below the package. Select the cup and place it on poster. Adjust the brightness with the curves. Create color balance and adjust it. Finally, make some adjustments with the camera raw filter. And here is the result.